Hello Internet. Today I want to talk about this Lexmark. I got it on eBay or Kleinanzeigen or Marktplaats a long time ago, and I want to connect it to my network, but when I connected it, it asking for a password which I didn't know. So this video is about how to reset this unit. First you have to connect the unit to your network, so you know for sure it's working. Let's do that right now. I've got a power cable, and because this one is a Token ring, I've got a Token ring cable. And then I power it. It's booting, and when you hear the Token ring MAU click, you know the unit is working. It takes some time. I heard a click. It's trying, and it should give another light when it's all ready. And after some time you get a second light. So this unit is ready to accept data, but because I bought it second-hand, I don't know all the details, the IP, the password, etc. So how to reset this unit? There's no obvious button or hole in the units which you can push to reset it, so you have to open it up. Over here there are some switches. It has a reset button, but that's only to restart the unit and reconnect it to the network. So how do you reset it? Well, it's quite easy. All you have to do is push the test button, switch that one, and release. And when power and test is on, like this, you can switch it back, and the unit has reset to the factory default values. So you can connect it to the network, use the Lexmark tool to scan for an unconfigured Marknet, and the Marknet unit will show up. Maybe you'll need, I don't know where it's, it's at the back. Oh, let's disconnect it so it's easier to show. The LAN address is shown, so maybe you need this one. Maybe you need this one to identify this unit, so if you got multiple, so you're not configuring the wrong one. Now this is all I want to say about this unit. It was just a quick video to show how to reset a Marknet. Thank you for watching, and see you in another video.